Again, hon, again. Unsa to?
What is science?
Science.
What is science? Is a systematized knowledge based on facts and observation, because we have to observe. We have. Okay. What is moon? Moon is a
Ayaw
circle.
lagi nagsugdiw ko pang buwang. Hindi na mo.
Moon is an earth.
Unsa?
Moon is an earth natural sun. Because
Wala
without
pa
the
dito
moon,
matapos. Ay,
because without the moon,
nakalimot siya.
Because without the moon, tuwa sa lahan.
because without the moon, there's no sex.
There's no sex?
Mangumpi yung pamon.
Nag-mode kayo din.
Ay, moon. Loko, oy. Panabang.
Masakit na ako pang nga.
Naak ko nung mugigit-igit ako sa uri. Tingnan ako nadala naman ako sa di katawa.
Pinamawala.
Maana na ako ba? What is sun?